She don't fuck with you cause Brody, you ain't got no motion. Everywhere I go, you know I cause commotion. I'm like, fuck your cosign, I don't need no promotion. Blew up by myself while niggas got promoted. I got 3 bitches with me, ain't no hocus pocus. Cause I put my trust into a bitch and then she went and
What are y'all doing in the damn oven? The microwave, the electric thing that cook food. Man, come on, come out of there, guys. Anyways, what's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. You are now watching I Stay Joshin'. I know. I am really hyped right now, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling better. I could breathe through my nose. There's a little bit of snot in there, but I could breathe through my nose. Anyways, I got a new delivery. I want to share it with you guys. All right, we got an order from Summit Racing for the car. So I figured we'd go ahead and do a quick little, quick little unreveal kind of stuff. So let me get this box and let's get, there we go. And let's get to this delivery stuff. Let me open it real quick though. Give me a second. Boom. All right. So don't say nothing slick and don't laugh. I needed to purchase some new one of these protected boots. All right, with this protective boot, this one withstands up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit of heat. Titanium, 1800 degrees, okay? You can feel, it feels so heavy. It's so much better. The ones I have on right now from AutoZone, I believe those are like 800 degrees with my open headers that I didn't wrap. Yeah, don't kill me. But with the open headers, I did not wrap them. So my wires are continuously being exposed. Driver's side, facing the driver, cylinder 3, I believe it's 1, 3, 5, and 7 or something, right? Whatever it is, but it's the odd numbers. So yeah, on the driver's side, cylinder 3 continues to last for about a month or 2, then it burns through. So I said, you know what? I hit up the dealer, I hit up some of my shops. It was like, look, it's not worth taking it off and wrapping the headers all again. You can just protect the inside, heat block for the starter, more high temperature, boot plugs and wire plugs, protectors, and then for new wires, make sure you go high temp ceramic as well. So that's exactly what we did. These babies are heavy. Thank you, shout out to Summit Racing. Like I said, they even make sure they sent a sticker. Big shout out to those guys. I'm glad that they did that. Let me be specific, so in case you guys are looking for these brands, you know what it is. We got the LS plugs, plug wires. It did say mostly LS Camaros, but it said 2016 to 22 SS and ZL1s, which are the LT platforms. So I wanted to make sure that was good. And then we got the spark plug boot protectors. Okay, so those are the 2 things we did. So these babies are heavy. And another thing is that I was educated on was to make sure I got the boots that curve. All right, I'll show you guys when we change it tomorrow. These, because it's a 2-part video. Alright, it's a 2-part video, but these don't curve, or these curve. The stock ones are straight, and the further they go out, so this is about 2 inches, and then 2 inches out, 2 inches down. The stock ones are like 3 to 4 inches just straight.
That's what she said.
And that's the part that's touching the headers. So why not get new ones that actually curve? I hope these fit, because it's not looking like it. But I'm gonna listen to what they say. I really hope these are where it's at. If not, I'm gonna keep the box, I'm gonna keep everything, and we're gonna ship them babies back. So like I said, it's a 2-part video. We'll finish that one tomorrow. So let's go ahead and jump into tomorrow. I'll see y'all then. And it's the next day, baby. Now we're gonna head downstairs and do what we gotta do. Put our shiz on, you feel me? We're gonna go put our shizzit on. So come with me. Let's get this done. And then I'm heading to the gym, because you gotta make sure, it's mind over body, body over mind, and all that good stuff. Hey, let's get it. I'm hoping the old power line, the old wires didn't burn through, but I guarantee they did. Well, a good morning to y'all, a good morning to me. Hopefully you guys had a good night's sleep. I'm feeling way better. For those who are subscribed and pay attention to what's going on, I've been super sick lately, but I am feeling way better than ever, so I can't complain. Feeling good, and damn sure looking good. Come on now, come on. Who looked this good? It's so damn messy in here, but I'm hoping this is going to be a quick and easy job. We're gonna remove the old and in with the new. It's so damn hard to fit through these boots. Damn it, Captain Planet. These so damn hard. Come on, man. First of all, the fit on this looks so damn good. Hold on. Now look at this in the engine bay. Header to the left, header to the right. It clears the whole thing, man. That is perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. Exactly what I was looking for. That quality is sick as hell. I love it.
I say out loud, I stand with Ye, then they gon' try to cancel phase. In the face of fact, it is still a choice to let that man enslave him. But hey, bruh, hand me my acres, fuck your emancipation. They been trying to play like they hooked us up, but the strands is fading day by day. But look, keep me your brain, feel like a cancer patient. That went over the top like I'm laminating, but the documents damaged, racing the clock. This is your granddaddy land they taking. DEFCON level 0, matriarch, blam the nation. Mama the reason I am a Mason, couldn't wait for no man to raise them. Just look at my manner.
So guys, I ended up taking off one that is actually damaged. Was it this one? Hold on. I just took one off that had some damage on it, which is surprising because so it was actually this one. There we go. You can see the cracks in the wire right there, and those are the cracks. So I got one side completed, and that side, the only side that had two damaged ones. I'm wondering, do I need to do every single side? I did all four. Looks nice, fresh, brand new. Nice. Way better, way thicker. Let me know in the comments below if you guys say no, brother, you need to do. I figured if I just did one cylinder, it might misfire, and I know I don't want that. So what I did was I completed the driver's side with brand new heat covers, because it was always the driver's side touching, never any issues with the passenger side. So I'm not doing the passenger side right now because one, I don't even have the room in the garage to reach over there. So let me know in the comments if I need to do it. I will definitely just pull it outside tonight, let it cool down, and finish the other side. But until then, let's see how she feels. Yo, I gotta be real with y'all. This baby moving nice. She driving smooth. I just got next to a Mustang on the interstate. We did some runs. Yo, this baby is moving nice, man. This baby is moving nice, smooth. She feels good. You can always tell when your spark wires are going bad. This is the biggest indication. And don't let nobody tell you I'm wrong, because I have more issues than anybody. I go through spark wires weekly, maybe bi-weekly, maybe once a month or something. But at the end of the day, when you're at a stop light, and you press the gas and you get that stutter. Okay, sometimes, yes, if you got an older car, it could be fuel injectors, it could be whatever the case may be. But if you have a car that is within like 5 years and you know there's no issue with the fuel system, and you get in that, it's something ignition wise, right? It's fuel system or ignition. That's what gives it that stutter. That's what gives it that, like, that, hey, I don't want to go. Something is causing it. For my car, I know when it stutters, it is a spark plug wire. As y'all can see from the video, when I pulled it off, it was cracked and broken. I have multiple videos on my channel that shows and depicts the same issue. But guess what? We have thicker, better wires on. Shout out to the company, shout out to Summit for being the middleman in between. But I went from 500 or 800 degree wire boot covers, so wire covers, protectors, to now 1800. Ain't nothing getting through there because these headers get hot. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready, I'm in the game, and this is how we about to do it, man. It's good, feels good. Like I said, this is important to me. You want to make sure everything runs good. The next update on this car, I want to run the Chevy, get a new front splitter, ZL1 1LE front splitter from the dealership. That's about $390. I want to get a new canard. I got some fiberglass in my fingers. And then the new canard from the dealership is $180. And then what else I need on the car. Yeah, that's about it. I'm about to ship this car on Wednesday, so that's gonna be a video. Stay tuned for that one. That one is coming on Wednesday. It's probably gonna be uploaded, so Thursday morning for you guys. Everything I record is uploaded 24 hours in advance. Sometimes I have a good day and I got 2 or 3 videos. You know what I'm saying? And I miss those times where I can have that many videos. But we in it to win it, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. If you aren't part, please make sure. I got literally 0.068% of people who watch my videos are subscribed, bro. I have a lot of people who aren't subscribed. I'm not even gonna say a lot because I don't even get a lot of views. My stories, my YouTube shorts, get thousands. I have a couple shorts on millions. But my regular videos, I don't know, bro. I got 3,000 subscribers. I grow 100 subscribers every, maybe 10 a day. But I'm not going up in views, so people are subscribing to the channel because they like it, but they're not consistently watching. And I can't blame y'all. I can't blame the watchers. I can't blame the subscribers. I can't blame the family. It's on me. It's on content. What do y'all want to see? You click on a video, you don't like the title, maybe you don't like the thumbnail. Put in some more work and some more effort into that is what I have to do. And I promise you guys I got you. I'm gonna stop blabbering. I'm just running off. I feel, you know what I'm saying, about to hit the gym again. I love y'all. Please like, subscribe. Please at least like. That's number 1. If you can like this video, subscribe. February is over with, but come on, man. Come on, man. Come December, I'm doing Vlogmas. We gonna be getting it. New place, new face, no case. Let's go. All right, it's your boy. I stay joshing. You are not watching. I stay joshing. Come on, subscribe. I freestyle if y'all want to. Okay, check it out. I don't want to die. I want to make YouTube videos. I want you to subscribe. Ooh, okay. I want y'all to watch until your girl just chill and jump off my. Ooh, I ain't gonna say it. I'm in a Camaro. I got your girl and I be in, bro. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Just like, subscribe. Your boy ain't playing. Peace.
Hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts,